Now, in terms of preemptive evacuation naman po, as of 11 o'clock this morning, November 9, meron na pong na-report sa atin na 270,682 families, no? Or 916,863 individuals ang sumama sa ating preemptive evacuation. So that covers CAR, Region 1, Region 2, Region 3, 4A, 4B, NCR, Region 5, Region 6, 7, and 8. Marami po ang nag-preemptive evacuation sa Region 5. Umabot po sa 192,765 families or 660,721 individuals. Susunod dyan ay Region 8 na merong 32,020 families or 112,760 individuals. Tapos Region 4A, no? 24,209 families or 74,388 families.